Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing how to get the acrylic look for just $8. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and clip our nails down as short as you want, as long as you want, whatever. I prefer my nails to be short, so that's what you see me doing here, is clipping them down. So today we are going to be using our Kiss Gel Fantasy nails. I got them in the length long, and I got them in this cute little peachy pink color. I don't know, it's just really cute to me. As you can see, when I open the package here, it comes with these little sticky tabs on the back. You can either use that or you can use the glue that it comes with. Today I decided I was going to use the glue. So yeah, that's me fumbling it right there. When you open up the package, if you're ever wondering where the extra nails are, there they go, right underneath. Those are all the extras outside of the display ones that they show. First step to prepping your nails is to make sure they are all clean. So I am using 100% acetone nail polish remover. I'm just going to go over both hands, all my fingers, make sure all the dirt is off, make sure all the excess nail polish is off, whatever may have been on top of your nails. This is a very important step, so make sure you clean with 100% acetone nail polish remover. Although I will not be using them today, I just wanted to show you guys what the little sticky tabs look like. This is what they come with. You can either use that or you can use the glue. Now, some other tools that come in the packaging is a nail filer and the little cuticle tool. So make sure you are using this little tool right here. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this horribly incorrect, but the purpose of this is to push your cuticles back. Now, I get my nails done often, so I don't really have that many cuticles, whatever, I don't know. But when I was doing it, I didn't really see what it was doing, so I don't know. I could be using it completely wrong, but this is what the instructions say, so we're going to push them cuticles back. Now that we have our cuticles all pushed back, we're going to go ahead and file our nails. Once again, this tool did come in the packaging. I don't exactly know the full purpose of this. I think it's just to kind of like rough out your nail beds and prep them to have the glue and the nails on there. I'm guessing it helps them stay longer. Once again, I have no idea. I'm just reading the instructions, going with the flow, and trying to do what I remember seeing at the nail salon. So yeah, girl, we're gonna file these nails down and get them all prepped for our $8 acrylic sets. Now that we are completely done with all the prep, we are going on to the next step. Now this is where it gets real, okay? This is where you are going to be taking the nails and you are going to be fitting them to your nail beds. Now this step can either be super easy or it can be super hard. If you run into some difficulties with having gaps or they're a little bit too big, you can always take the nail file and kind of customize it to your nail bed. Some people have wider nail bed round thingies at the end. If that makes sense, like where your cuticle is, some people have them more round, some people have them more straight, so it can always get complicated. Just take your time, go slow, and match them up as closely as you can possibly do it. Okay? Take your time. It's all about taking our time. Now that you have them all sized up to your nails, I find it easier to just lay them out in a straight line, so when it comes down to gluing them, you can see it nice and clearly. Okay, girl, so you done made it this far, and now it is time to get real. You are at the last step. As you can see, what I do, I put the glue onto my actual nail. I don't put the glue onto the fake nail because it just gets too messy. So put the glue on your nail, put the nail on your nail, and just hold it down, press it down. I don't do it for a certain amount of time. I just do it so I feel comfortable. So that's pretty much what you're going to see me doing to this whole entire hand. Press it down, double check, move on. Remember, put the glue onto your nail. Don't put it onto the fake nail because it can spill around, it can cause air bubbles. It's just too much work. Put the glue on your nail, press the nail down, hold it until you feel comfortable, and move on to the next one. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was easy to understand. These were the step-by-step instructions. You can put your own twist to it however you want to do it, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Watch another video. Follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!